today I will be sharing you with this video. Today I'm not going to be doing my well, I did my foundation already. I'm just not gonna do it today because y'all already seen me do that a couple of times. Not a couple, but plenty of times. So only focusing on my eyes and the little details of how I do my makeup and everything and stuff like that, because there's some parts that I kind of edited out for some reason, and you know, I just go back and try to perfect it, you know, some way, somehow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Please click the bell to get notified by many more other things, as well as my videos. And oh my gosh, like, even though it's a slow process, but I'm so thankful because it's halfway to 100. Like, we at 55 subscribers, y'all. Like, keep it up, please. Let's keep it up. Let's grow the family and everything. I thank y'all so much. Even though it's a slow process, thank you. But see ya. See how I traced that lines before I actually you see how I messed up and that part was too thick. So first we're gonna fill in the necessary stuff first, and then we'll fix that. Basically, when I do makeup, I mess up, but at the same time, I have my corrections like concealer. So please do not get freaked out when you mess up on your makeup, because it'll make it even worse. It's almost there, but it's not there yet. But we're gonna correct this side because this is fat compared to this slim, thick side. A very, very little thin brush. Well, this is not little or thin. This kind of is, but this not. And we're also gonna take concealer. It could be the LA Pro concealer, or it could be Trivia's Palettes. This is my choice. You can, you know, once again, concealer. Just any kind of concealer. Okay, yeah, kind of. I would drag along down here, but at the same time, I'm gonna just go ahead and quick forward to this. So as you see, doing a little mascara. I used to skip this like a whole bunch of times, but I need to go get another one because it's drying out. But at the same time, this do me right though, because I hate when I wear eyelashes and you see that little white you know, speck of hairs underneath the eyelashes. That's all that excess powder that you put on your face from, you know, on your lash. And what I do now is, like, even when I'm done wearing lashes, because I used to just, okay, like, wash my face, forget about the lashes, and go to bed. Like, I take off my lashes, but all that gunk and that glue and the liner and stuff like that, I really don't even care about that, and I just go straight to bed. And that was nasty, completely nasty. So it's like, for the 4th, we just staying inside. I really did want to pop fireworks this time, but I didn't want to, like, my family, they didn't want to go. to the store. We have enough money, but at the same time, it's like, you know, we ain't gonna take that risk, especially if it's increasing. Nope. Yeah, I'm sorry, just a little chit chat. It's not showing as much because it's already got eyeliner on it. I'm just hoping that a little bit of family will come to the house though, because I really want to have company. I really do. And really, like, I really thought I was going to travel this summer, really. I really did. Because I was like, oh my God, we're going to get to travel and everything. We're finna go. Because we were saying that we're finna go to Louisiana and stuff. And the reason how I know it was like, okay, for real this time, because we were buying stuff, literally, to go out. Because we planned out the whole entire summer and everything. It was like, okay, these are the certain clothes that we're not going to touch until that day comes. Because this is something that we planned around my birthday. And it was like, okay, cool. But shoot, Corona said, nope, y'all ain't going nowhere.
It is what it is.
I mean, we kind of can go somewhere, but nah. But yeah. So what we're going to do with our bottom lash, because it's very, very dangerous for some reason, for me. I'm going to close my eyes instead of doing this. I'm going to just close my eyes and just drag on like this. Or it can be easy. Because I was making that mistake a long time. Because I kept poking, like every morning I did my bottom lash. And I used to poke the mess out of my eye. And I think that's why I have this right here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Go ahead and go with my lashes. Once again, I don't need these for my real lashes. I need these for my falsies because I love my lashes to be curled to the T. Once again, the old-fashioned eyelash case. Gonna go back into it, and baby, we are going to flip these up to the gods. Okay. All right. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we also go on the other one. Always get you one of these. You never know when your lashes might act up and you slide one of your lashes in your purse, and next know when you see them and they come out and they be looking real, real flat. You never know. So this is what I have this for. And then hope I can see that. Yep. And there we go. I mean, it's already curled already, but I was just showing y'all like a little method, you know, just in case, like, got some lashes in the purse. I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all already know this method, so ain't nothing new. I'm gonna just let y'all know, like, get y'all a good mirror. Like a big mirror, it could be a small mirror, it don't matter at this point. I'm just letting you know, because if you want to see the details within your face, like if somebody's real this close up to you and stuff, I'm pretty sure you don't not want them to see like one crack on your face or one mistake or whatever and stuff like that. Like why this one is bigger than the other one. First of all, I don't got no business looking like that. I mean, looking that close up to you. But if they do, and if you feel as if that's gonna happen to you or whatever, first, I really don't care about the ends of the lashes. I just worry about the middle, like how in the world I'm gonna place this. So once again, in the middle, drag it down if you don't want that little part in the corner of your eye to keep stabbing you, because sometimes it itches and it irritates the hell out of my soul. Okay, I think that's good. You just gotta make sure. I think it's good. Same routine. Middle. Worry about the middle first. Then drag it down. If you're worrying about that white gunky glue mess, because really I'm just trying to get it close to my lash as possible so you won't be seeing two different types of separate lashes, this glue will literally be clear, so there should be no worry. A lot of people that fear that, oh, okay, this is gonna dry up gray, or no, it's not. It's gonna be clear. If you do have a fear, or if you do see something else, this is what you should do. I don't see nothing, but I'm gonna just show you anyway. So once again, just go over the little mistakes. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the lower lash again because I like my lower lash to be thick. So I'm gonna wait till this dry. As you can see, it's clearing up. I really, ooh, snap. You know what? It really don't even matter at this point. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. Instead of just leaving that little spot right there. It's there, but it is not there. Like, if you go close up like that, you can't see it, but when you can't see that. And also, one last tip, guys. Keep you something, literally, it's hot out here, okay? And it's getting hotter in here, you know what I'm saying? It's not even winter time no more, because normally I call 70s and below, that's winter time for me. But when it's hot out there, baby, it is, I promise you, it's damn near 100 and it's about to be storming out there. But what I do is I keep up with something that is like kind of your foundation skin tone or whatever. This right here was the closest one that I could find. Plus it's supposed to be a bronzer, but I use it as a foundation powder. Once again, find you something that's literally going to keep you matte, because baby, it's hot out here. It's hot out here for a pimp, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep matted, you know, pat matted, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead, I'm sorry. Alright, so this is the look. I hope you like this and enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and please press the bell to get notified by many more other videos. And see you later. Bye.